In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Depop. Setting up PayPal with your Depop account is an essential step to ensure smooth transactions and a seamless shopping experience for both buyers and sellers. So, let's dive right into the process to help you get it done quickly and efficiently. First off, ensure you have an active PayPal account. If you don't have one, you'll need to go to the PayPal website and sign up. It's free and quite straightforward. A quick note, make sure to thoroughly verify your PayPal account by linking it to your bank account or credit card and confirming your email address. This verification will help you avoid any transaction issues later on. Once you're all set with a verified PayPal account, open the Depop app on your smartphone. If you don't already have the app, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store to download it. After launching the app, make sure you're logged in to your Depop account. On the home screen, look for the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it. Now that you're in your profile, look for the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it to see a list of settings. Scroll down until you find the Payments option. Here, you'll see an option to connect your PayPal account, which is what we'll focus on today. Tap on the Connect PayPal button, and this will direct you to the PayPal login page. Carefully enter your PayPal login credentials, your email address and password. Make sure you double-check for any typos, as these could lead to a failed connection attempt. After successfully logging in, PayPal will ask you to grant permission for your Depop account to access your PayPal account. This is essential for processing payments, so go ahead and authorize by clicking Agree or Allow. Once you've authorized the connection, you'll be redirected back to the Depop app. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your PayPal account is now successfully linked to your Depop account. To be absolutely sure everything is working correctly, go back to the Settings menu in Depop and double-check under the Payments section. Your PayPal account should be listed there. Connecting your PayPal to Depop allows you to securely and efficiently manage all your transactions. It opens the door for smooth buying and selling, enhancing your overall experience on the platform. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, be sure to check both PayPal and Depop's help centers for additional support. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Depop!